Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Wavespeed AI. In order to do so, here we are at wavespeed.ai, and what we're going to do is we're going to start off here by signing in. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google, and with just a couple clicks of the button, we're ready to go. So from here, you could see up at the top that you are going to need to get credits in order to use Wavespeed. Now, you are given $1 to start off with, so that does give you something to start with, but it's not going to get you too much. But let's go ahead and try something out. So we could build app with API, create with AI. We can go and we can add credits, explore. We've got a desktop app that we can download. We can open up the studio. Let's go ahead and open up the studio. And from here, we can get started. So we have the model browser, we have the playground, templates, history, assets, Z image, local AI image generation, runs on your device, no API key needed. And we have some free tools here as well. So let's go ahead and check out the free tools. So we could see here, we've got the video enhancer, image enhancer, face swapper, background remover, image eraser, video converter, audio converter, media trimmer. So some pretty cool stuff here. Let's go and check out the playground. And here you can see that in order to use the playground, you are going to need an API key. So let's try Z-Image, and here you can see that we can run Z-Image locally for free. So we have our model here, got a few to try out. Let's go ahead and try something super simple. We're just going to go with a happy puppy. We've got negative prompt here. We've got size. We've got width. We've got steps, CFG, sampler, scheduler. We can enable low VRAM mode, etc., etc. Let's go ahead and click on generate. And this feature requires the desktop app. So if you want to use Wavespeed, then you're going to need to download the desktop app. Or you can try the online version, it says. Now, as far as the online version goes, let's see where we can find that. So yes, it does look like in order to use the online mode, you are going to need the API key. So you can get the API key from going to this link here, wavespeed.ai/access key. We click on that here, and here is where you can create your API key. Let's take a look at the billing. Brings us back here. So we have increments of 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So if you are interested in using Wavespeed AI, head over to wavespeed.ai in order to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra, and if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open up an account, and once you've gotten started, you can refer your friends and family to get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Could personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.